Welcome to the news story, The Great Cookie Caper. Timmy, excitedly. Lily, I have a brilliant idea. Let's have a cookie picnic in Grandma Rose's garden. Lily laughs. That sounds awesome, but how are we going to get the cookies from her kitchen without her noticing? Timmy, don't worry, I've got a plan. Lily, Timmy, are you sure this is a good idea? Timmy, trust me, Lily. Grandma Rose is a baking genius. She'll never even notice a few missing cookies. Lily, this is so exciting, but what if Grandma Rose finds out? Timmy, grinning. That's the fun part. Let's play a game of catch the cookie. We have to catch the cookies in our mouths when we toss them in the air. Grandma Rose chuckles. What on earth are you two up to? Timmy, trying to act innocent. Oh, hi, Grandma. We're just having a little picnic. Lily, nodding. Yeah, a cookie picnic. Grandma Rose, playfully. A cookie picnic, huh? Well, I've brought some cookies for you both, too. Timmy, sheepishly. Grandma, we were going to surprise you with a picnic. Lily, giggling. Yeah, but you surprised us first. Grandma Rose laughs. Oh, you two are quite the characters. How about we have a cookie picnic together? Mr. Jenkins, calling out. What's this? Cookies invading my yard? Timmy, nervously. Oops, sorry, Mr. Jenkins. Lily, politely. Would you like a cookie, Mr. Jenkins? Mr. Jenkins, softening. Well, I suppose one wouldn't hurt. Officer Parker, curious. What's all this commotion, folks? Grandma Rose, grinning. Just a cookie picnic, Officer Parker. Timmy, proudly. And we even shared with Mr. Jenkins. Officer Parker, laughs. Well, as long as you're spreading sweetness, enjoy your picnic. The story ends with Timmy, Lily, Grandma Rose, Mr. Jenkins, and Officer Parker all sitting together, munching on cookies and enjoying the sunshine.